Hello Microsoft and ASECR team. I am Ujjwal Kumar. Thank you so much Microsoft for selecting me for the Engage Mentorship Program 2022. In last week I faced a lot of challenges but they did not stop me from achieving my goal. Out of 3 topics I chose facial recognition to work upon. I have implemented facial recognition for increasing security in the polling booth. Till now, the faces of the people are meshed manually by the officer present there. But sometimes the photo is blurry and malpractices can happen. To avoid that, the face of the person will be meshed against the digital photo from the database. If match is found, then he will be allowed to go for vote, and if not found, then he will be held for interrogation. Now, let us see how it works. This is our project, and index.py is the file from which we have to begin running our project. Now, as you can see, browser screen. Here we enter our username. I have set username to be Ujjwal and password is ujjwl at 123. Okay, so this is the page, and when we click on start and stop recognition, as we can see, our project is encoding the images that are present in the database. And when the encoding of all the images is successful, there appears a camera, and as you can see, my face is visible in that camera, and it shows match found, and underneath that Ujjwal is written, which is my name. And let us check the file, which was voterecords.csv. And as you can see, this file has my name, which is Ujjwal, and the time now is 10:56, and it shows 10:56 and today's date. Okay, so this entry will be made only once. No matter how many times my face is detected, but at least my face should be detected once to make that entry happen. And then now coming back to our browser, this is our page, and here is a contact developer page. If we just write some query, like for example, my username is um, Ujjwal, and as we send it, then this page and this data goes to the Gmail ID of the person, and here I have set my Gmail ID. As you can see, here the form is visible, and as we have entered, this was my username, this was my email ID which I submitted, their phone number, and this is the message for the developer. If we refresh the page, then we do not need to log into this page again and again, as the data of the login credentials are saved as in the cookies. And now if you are using the main or the primary camera of your webcam of your laptop, then this one should be made 0, and if you are using some external webcam, then this should be 1. And other thing which should be kept in mind is that in the forms, here I have written my Gmail ID. If you want to receive the forms data on your email ID, then you can put your own email ID here, and that will work smoothly. And at last, I would like to thank Microsoft and ASECR team for providing all the technical and mentorship support. Thank you so much.